Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a friend to your activity on the Slopes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the logbook button down below and then scroll down and click on one of the activities added to this section. Tap on it, then scroll down again till you find the road width section. If you would like to tag a friend, tap on the plus icon, tag a friend in the middle of the screen. And if you have any friends on this application, you should type in its name into this box that you can see. And if you don't have any friends that uses this application, then you should invite them. So click on the invite button, which is the next option. As you can see, you have the airdrop option via which you can send the invitation. You can also send it via messages. Here you can find the link added and the preset message. Open this link on your phone to add me as a friend on Slopes. Or you can send it via Instagram, Facebook Messenger and other social networking sites. So if you have added your friend, you can also compare your runs. As you go back to the top of the screen, you have this compare button. Here you have yourself, and if you want to compare yourself with one of your friends, then tap on this button and you will be able to add them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.